I just literally just took it out of the pack and just threw it on, and this is it. You just have to fluff. Okay, it's synthetic, but you'll be pulling this look up. Like, seriously, this is cute. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chantal. Thank you so much for tuning in to your best place for natural hair care, self-care, with reviews and lifestyle. If you know you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free, sis. Bro, please show us some love and hit that subscribe button down there, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post new videos. Without wasting so much of your time, let's get into the video of this wig. Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to review this wig that I got from Amazon. So this is the wig right here for beauty, and it's made in China. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And inside the bag, you've got this a wig cap, stickers, this earring, this hoop earring, and this lovely wig nose. And this is so cute. That's so sweet of them. Alright, so this is the wig itself. I love the color. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on you. Faking your life for that. You got my number, don't ask me, 'cause baby, I'm a hiatus. Okay, you've got one comb on the front like this right here, and an adjustable strap right here at the back. I think that's it. Just one comb on the front. That's the inside of the bag. Alright, let's try this bad boy on. Okay? Don't go anywhere. Let's try this on. Live my life off screen, taking time out to be. And live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Oh my. So this is, I haven't done anything to the hair yet, so I'm just gonna fluff this. This is cute. I love the way it feels. It feels so soft. Wow. So this is the hair at the back. And live my life off screen, taking time out to be. I haven't fluffed it yet. I haven't done anything to the hair yet, so I'm gonna do that. If you see me looking back this way, I'm trying to look at the mirror so I see what I'm doing, okay? Yeah. So this is like the central part right here. So I'm gonna try and fluff this out a little bit. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. This is cool right here. I don't think I'm gonna use the comb because I hate combs. So we're just gonna play with it. Like you winning, I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. If you like big hair, this will be gorgeous on you. See, as I fluff it, it's gonna look much more bigger. I'm on hiatus, baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be. I'm just fluffing with my fingers. Just fluff, and try to fix it to your desired shape. So that's the good thing about
big hairs, curly hairs. So you just have to fluff and fluff and fluff until you get it to where you want it to be. Cute. It's so soft, guys. This is soft. Fluff it out, and I love the color. I love the color. The color. So there you have it, guys. I told you, I got you guys. This is good. So I bought this from Amazon. Okay, now, so if I want to spice it up, I can just, I have this earrings are from Wigs. Let me see. It's from this company called, it's glasses called, is it Voogueme? Oh, I'm going to leave the link of this down below. So if you want to spice it up, I could just add this to it. Like, woo. See? And we're set to go. Yeah. So, alright, let me, like my youngest daughter. Alright guys, so my final thought on this hair is, it's just, if you want a quick wig that you could just throw on and just, you go, this is it. This is it. See, this is so soft. I love the color. I love how easy it was. So this is the part right here. You could just take it out and you put it on, and that's it. You just fluff it with your hands, or if you want more volume, you could just use this comb and just pick it up, and you're gonna have more volume. But for me, I think I love the size like this. I don't want it any more bigger, so this size is okay for me. But the hair is really gorgeous. It's bouncy. So if you're someone who's natural and then you want something that you, by the side where you could just throw on and go, this is one. So the advantages and disadvantages of this hair. First, the advantages are more than the disadvantages, guys. This hair is soft. Like, the price, that's one. It's just $20-something. You get it off of Amazon, and the softness of the hair. Okay, it's synthetic, but you'll be pulling this look up. Like, seriously, this is cute. And third, I haven't had any shedding. See, you see, I've been pulling. I just have to cut just a little bit at the front right here. So there's no shedding so far. And yeah, it's big head friendly. I think anything disadvantages, there's no con, I would say, about this hair. Seriously, this is good. This is good. If you know you need some big hair for the summer or this fall, you go buy this, because this is approved. If you want something different to just change up the style, or you just want to go on a vacation and just have something to just throw on and you're still looking fly. Okay, all right, loves, thank you so much, and please do not forget, again sis, bro, please, it's free. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there and turn on the notification bell button, okay? So you show us some love for the great work we do. So please go on and turn on the notification bell button so you get notified each time I post new videos, okay? Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye guys.
Just be. Don't take it. Take it. Just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up. meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah.
So just an added tips on how to take care of the hair I just reviewed. This is my humble opinion. So if you have this like a silicone mix, if the hair is too dirty and it's tangled up or matted, you can use this silicone mix, the conditioner. You mix it as like a hair treatment. So if you have a sink like this, you just put warm water inside and then you mix it with this silicone mix and you put the hair inside and you leave it for a couple of minutes and then you just rinse it off and you air dry and you'll be good to go. Or if you don't want to wash it, maybe you've probably worn it for let's say a couple of days and the smell is, you know, synthetic hair, it smells, it got like awful smells. So you could either use any fabric softener like this one, or but much more preferable would be the downward one. But I didn't have that one, so but I used this Game. So you mix, you put warm water like over here, and then I put the down with the like 2 parts of water and 1 part of no, half part of down of Game, and I shake it, mix it very well, and I spray it onto the hair. It's gonna take that smell away. Like when you spray this and you air dry the hair, boom, you hold it back in place. So that's my humble tips. I said let me share with you guys how I take care of like synthetic wigs that I have. Hope it's helpful. Stay blessed.